Hi, this is Marcia, and we're talking about online tools for differentiated instruction with a focus on ELL students. Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining again. This is the video number 3 talking about online resources that can be helpful to differentiate instruction for all students, but with a focus in on ELL students. Today, we're looking at Diffit. Oh my gosh, I love Diffit. Diffit.me has been a resource that I've been using now for a year and a half in all content areas and grade levels. It's a freemium website, and what that means is there's some free parts and then some paid parts. But if you sign up, they usually give you a trial for about 3 months, which is a perfect time now to give it a try, and then you'll be able to use it for the rest of the school year. What I love about it is it adjusts the reading level, it will chunk the lessons, and it takes the activity and puts it into a Google slide that you can then manipulate and send out to the students either through Google Classroom, Schoology, or Canvas, depending on which LMS you are using. So let's take a look at Diffit.me. The very first thing I do whenever I'm getting ready to use an online resource is I start with my standard. So right now I'm going to be using geometry as my standard, and I can search, I could paste an article, I can even use a video too, by the way. So what I did was I said I wanted an article on that geometry standard, and then I picked my grade level. And so now that I'm teaching geometry in 10th grade, I dropped it down to maybe say a 5th grade reading level. Now what it's going to do is it's going to go in and it says if you're looking for problem sets, it's coming. Did you hear that, math teachers? They're going to be adding problem sets to go along with this. The first thing that pops up is going to be a photo. And the photo is there so you can choose which photo you want. It gives you the passage, a summary, vocabulary words, multiple choice, extension questions, all in one location. Holy goodness. And I can even adjust the length that I want for that article. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the side and I'm going to click on which way I want the content to be displayed for the students. So I picked one that's going to really focus on vocabulary words. So it gives me the first page, a slide that says, what do you notice? What do you wonder? Then I have the ability to click and drag the different vocabulary words. I have the ability to read and take notes. Language arts, social studies, science teachers, can you see how this would work for your content as well? There's even multiple choice questions that go along with this. Best part, they add even partner work, so we're adding in the student discourse. This is just one of those resources that I cannot get enough with. If I'm really doing small group instruction, I can take that one activity and put it in the different learning studios, and it's just going to make it so much easier. I even have the ability to go in and do the same thing with vocabulary words. So you just go in, you grab your vocabulary words, and put it in. Now what I'm doing is I'm doing one for social studies. I was going to really showcase how this would work in a language arts social studies environment as well. Same thing, I put my content in, but this time I'm going to focus in on translating it for my Spanish students. That's right, I can go ahead and take an article, translate it into multiple languages, and I can change the reading level. So now here are the 7 principles of government. And what I can do is when I go through, it's all in Spanish for me. Now, I don't know what the words are saying because I took French in high school, not Spanish, but I'm telling you, it's pretty impressive how this works. So you can either have the article differentiated by readability and or even by language. And then the activities are also going to be in Spanish. Now, hold on. Foreign language teachers, did you hear that? It will do it in French, German. It will also do it in Spanish. So if you teach one of those classes, now you can use this resource as a supplement to what you're already teaching. Diffit.me has to be one that you put on your list to help generate resources and strategies to really help enhance that content for the students.